Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Dani, the Wicked Awesome Gardener. I'm back up here at the property and it looks pretty much the same. With work, with Matilda, with everything else going on, we haven't been able to get up here. All my friends that were coming to pitch and toss stuff into the dumpster have not been able to get up here. But now that Matilda's over, I've got all my theater people and we're going to be doing some major work here because we have to move in 30 days. As you can see, the house pretty much looks the same. Even back here, my daughter's room, we've still got to put up this wall. We've got to paint. She chose to paint her room gray, her choice. And yeah, there is a lot that's got to get done around here. Woo! Take it all the way down through. Those kitchen cabinets are coming out. It's just the question is when. Into our nice dark hallway. Oh, it's not so dark. And then into my room. Yep, we still got this old bed in here. Yeah. So what's been holding up the progress? And it's that right there. First of all, we had an idiot of a plumber who told me that the motor was ripped out of it. And then I brought the well guy here eventually and he said, no, everything's fine. You just need to tie it into the electricity. And I didn't realize that that wasn't already done. I hadn't looked. Ugh. The bathroom is finally clean. There is no more cat poop in the bottom of the tub. That's a plus. It does have power in here. We've just got to, like I said, get the well pump turned on and get the bathroom all hooked up. And then I'll be staying here some nights once that happens so that I can do some more work on the inside of the house. So now we're in crunch time. Thankfully, everyone's schedules are clear and we'll have people here this weekend getting rid of all the stuff in here, and I'll have water so that I can really do the deep cleaning that I need to do because there's only so much you can do with sprays and paper towels and disposable cleaning things. And, you know, there's a lot more deep cleaning stuff that I need to do, and that requires water. So take your last look at the nasty, dirty trailer because after this weekend, it's going to look totally different. We're going to have the laminate floors down. We're going to have rooms painted, well, maybe by next week, but you guys are going to get to see the progress of putting the floors in and getting this place really empty of all the trash. And then in another video, we'll do some of the painting. That fridge is going. These lower cabinets, as much as I wanted to save them, they are also going. And this stove is pretty nasty and the display is busted. We've decided, because actually it turns out that my friend Ilana, she is getting a new propane stove in her house. She's upgrading her appliances. And so when we get the propane heat installed, which is happening soon, we're going to have them run another line under here, and we're going to have a gas stove. So we'll be able to get the gas stove for free. And since they're already here digging the trench and running gas lines, we may as well throw that into the project. So yay, gas stove. When it comes to the paint colors, I decided I didn't want to go with either of these. Just not really feeling it the way that I thought I was going to. So I'm still trying to decide what I'm going to do here to freshen it up. So the blue that's on the wall is just, I mean, it's nice and bright, but it's dingy and dirty and ugly. It needs to be painted in here. Will I go with a similar color? Maybe, but I don't know. I'm not really feeling the blue either, but I don't know what I am feeling yet. So stay tuned. And this is the laminate that I got, and I love it. I think it's just going to look really nice in here. It'll certainly be better than like this. See if I can get an angle on it. Than this stuff. Ugh. We're going to lay that floor not only here in the living room, but also up in the kitchen. So it's going to be a nice continuous, and it's going to go down the hall as well. Now in the bathroom, I found something fun outside, and I shared it in a short earlier, but let's go through. gets all dark and dingy and blurry in here every time I go through it. Jury is still out on this half-built edition, but I know that at least over in that section, we're going to store stuff for a while. Let's see. Sorry, I locked this back door. So come back out here, and we jump down. Whoop. I shared this in a short the other day, but back here in the half-built shed, I found 3 boxes of, now this one's kind of dirty and dingy from sitting here, but porcelain tile. You can kind of see the pattern in the corner. But that's 3 boxes of porcelain tile, so that's enough to do the bathroom floor. Score! Free flooring. And then we have all of this stuff over here. Just trash that's been piled out here, and that's all going too. Getting rid of it all. So as you can see, there is a ton of work still left to do, but it's going to be one heck of a before and after this time next week. Where we're going to run into crunch time is honestly going to come down to the utilities. Is all of the electrical work going to be done by then? Not entirely sure. But we've got at least enough of it done that if I have to plug a power strip in so that my kids can charge their phones, that's all they care about. That is literally all they care about. Do I have a bed in a clean space and can I plug in my phone? If I have that, I'm happy, is basically what my daughter told me yesterday. So we'll have all of that. We'll have a shower. We'll have a toilet and you know, all of that. But will everything be ready? We might be roughing it for a little bit. And probably for a good part of the summer, we won't have an oven. We'll be cooking with a mishmash of microwaves, crock pots, griddles, air fryers, instant pots. So we will have a myriad of options for cooking. We just won't have an oven for a little bit. And we can deal with that. Like, we've got 7 different ways to cook. Oh, and we've got a grill. We've also got a grill, which, by the way, I haven't done a mail call video on it, but since I've mentioned the grill, that was a gift, a housewarming gift sent to me by Lisa over at Our Georgia Suburban Homestead, and you should definitely check out her channel. I'm going to actually show you guys the grill once we're here. I plan to use it for the first time at like a housewarming cookout. So really excited for that. But okay, I think that's been enough of showing you that not a lot has changed yet. But soon, very soon, things are about to happen. So I'll catch you in my next video. Bye-bye.